How to pay council tax in the UK. First of all, go to the Google and search Government of UK, and this is the official website, so we have to open it. The interface of website will be look like this. We just need to scroll down our screen, scroll down, and in the bottom you will find this option, housing and local services. So we have to open this link. So in this section some links are available here. Find an energy certificate, find your local council, check your local council tax band. So we have to click on find your local council. This is the middle link, click on it. Here we just need to enter our area postcode. After that we just need to click on find. Just wait for a while and the website will find your local council. So this is your local authority council. So now we have to pay our tax online. So we have to go to the council website. So this is my local council. So I'm going to click on this website. So every council has their own website and the interface of the every council will be different. But the process is similar. Just scroll down your screen a little bit, scroll down and you will find many options available here. We just need to select council tax, click on it. Now scroll down your screen and you can see you can set up direct debit and you can make payment online by the card. So I am going to select this option and let me show you some other council's website. The interface will be on all website will be different and you have to find the online payment option by yourself. Just for an example, this is the other council's website. You can see, but here also you will find the council tax option. This was for the demo. Let me come back to my council's local website. So here you can see, first of all, they are asking about the council tax reference. So you have to enter your tax reference account number and after that you need to enter the amount how much you want to pay. Here you just need to enter your full name, spelling should match with your documents, enter the house number, enter the complete address, street area and town and country, postcode, telephone number and email address, all the things you need to enter. So after entering all the details, make sure it's correct and after that click on the pay icon in the bottom, you will find this. Wait for a while. For the security reason, I hide my some details. So here you just need to enter your card number, expiry date and the security code. If you have issue number, then you can enter it. If your card does not have that, then you can leave it blank. So after entering all the details, just need to click on the submit and your tax will be paid.